Hello, my billionaire families. How are you all doing? So, welcome back. Today's tutorial will be on this simple trending gele on Instagram. So many of you request for this gele, so I have to tie it for you, my beautiful family. So, I start by creating like 5 pleats, then bringing the hand back to the front. But instead of me placing the pleats in the front, I place it at the back, then bring it back to the front. Then the ratio for the gele is 50-50 ratio. Just look at the way I'm doing it, sisters, my beautiful family. Just look at the way I'm doing it. This gele is very easy. It's not something that is hard. It's something that you can easily just sit down and tie on your head if you are going to church or going to Owambe parties. This gele is very easy, sisters. Very simple. So just look at the way I'm doing it. So I bring back the hand, I'm just tying it. I'm tying it now. Then I will go back now, start adjusting it. So yeah, I want to start adjusting it now. So if you are tying this kind of gele, you will try to make your edges to be well laid very well. Because if you notice, her edges is not well laid because she placed attachments, so did not make the gele to be well laid there. So if you want to tie this kind of gele, make sure your edges are well laid. Like you can use edge control to do your edges to be laid very well. So this is it, sisters. As you can see, the gele is very easy, not something that is hard. So I'll go back now and adjust the other side because it's not, I didn't really like the way it come out in that area there. So I'm going back now to adjust it. So if you are tying it, you can just do any style you want. You can just adjust it the way you want, sister. Just look at the way I'm sweating. Okay, God. So please don't forget to like, comment, give this video a big thumbs up, and also follow me on my Instagram page. And I love you, sisters. Bye.